Dreams are very powerful images and signals that the Lord gives to us whenever we do sleep. To be able to take dreams seriously, one ought to do some of these things. One, be able to write down dreams, which is often very hard because of the time that dreams do come. And two, which I find to be the most important of them all, to be able to remember dreams. You should be able to remember every dream that you do have, because dreams are a chain of messages. So sometimes you may have a dream today and the continuation of that dream may be maybe a week or 2 weeks later. So it is important that you should remember dreams. And how do you remember? Also by writing. So writing dreams helps you to remember dreams. Three, you should also know that dreams are largely symbolic. For instance, if you should dream and then you should see, let's say, the image of your biological father. Now, you would ask yourself some few questions. What is the personality of my biological father? Is he a hardworking person? Is he a reliable person? Or what kind of personality is he? The other question will be, is my father, on the opposite side, is my father a drunkard? Is my father someone who isn't up to the task? Is he irresponsible? You may want to know all of these. When you are able to answer that question, then it probably means that the dream you've had about seeing your father is not really about your father, but then the qualities of your father that are coming your way. That can give you a clue, because dreams usually come with symbolism that we find relatable. They come with symbolisms that we find relatable. You will not have dreams of things you do not understand. In other words, what I'm trying to say is that you will not have a dream and the imagery in the dream will be something you've never had a relation with. For instance, you will not have a dream owning a Ferrari unless the message of that Ferrari is to communicate the qualities of the Ferrari to your life. So sometimes we may dream and we think, oh, I saw myself in a Ferrari, meaning I'm going to own a Ferrari. That may not be the case. It may mean that probably the qualities of the Ferrari is what you are going to see in your life. That is the symbolism. That is the symbolic part of the dream. So you would have to put in mind that, one, you should be able to write dreams, remember dreams, and also remember that dreams are symbolic. Now, lastly, how you feel about dreams after you have them, waking up, says almost 90% of what the dream connotes. For instance, if you woke up from a dream